Hello students, I hope you are all fine and in good health. In this audio presentation, I will be discussing notice writing. Notice writing is actually related with short composition, and it is a part of advanced creative writing skills. So the first important thing that we should know about is what exactly is notice writing. What is notice writing all about? So dear students, as you can see, I have given the heading notice writing. Now in the next line it is written what is notice writing. First of all, we have to know what exactly is notice writing. A notice is a written or printed announcement. It is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that has happened or is about to happen. So basically, notice, the main purpose of writing a notice is obviously to inform a large number of people about something that has happened or is about to happen in the near future. Now, after what is a notice, now the next important thing that we should note is that how to write a notice. Now there are 7 steps that we should follow in order to write a notice. Step number 1, place an address from where the notice is being issued. That is the first step. Step number 2, mention the date on which the notice is written or sent. The date has to be mentioned properly. Step number 3, it is preferable to write the subject or heading of the notice. Subject or heading of the notice has to be written. It is a must. It is mandatory, or dear students, you can say it is compulsory. Step number 4, it must contain the time, place, date, other relevant instructions and message. So the notice should be concrete, it should be compact, it should contain the time, place, the date, the relevant instructions and message, etc. in it. Step number 5, if other details are there, if any, then those details also are to be mentioned. Step number 6, the second last step, mention the name of the person issuing the notice on the left hand side. So the person who is issuing the notice, his or her name has to be mentioned on the left hand side. And finally, step number 7, use an appropriate sentence pattern and proper format. Proper format, appropriate sentence pattern, grammatical accuracy, these things are preferable, dear students, in case of writing a notice. Now I am moving on to the next category. As you can see, it is written format of notice. Now in case of format of notice, how it is written, see, box is compulsory. You have to draw the box, and after that you have to write it in this way: name of the issuing agency or authority, and after that notice has to be written. Then look where you have to write the date of issue or release of the notice, then 1 or 2 lines gap, then the title or the main subject of the event has to be written, Then after that the body of the notice has to be written, where everything you will mention, date, time, duration, place or venue has to be mentioned properly, and finally authorized signatory, that one has to be mentioned. You can see at which part you have to do it. Then that is name, designation and signature. These things are to be mentioned properly. Now class 11 breakup of marks, this is very important. Total it has 4 marks, format 1 marks, content will carry 2 marks and expression will carry 1 marks. In total 4 marks. Now after the marks breakup, some important guidelines. 18 guidelines are there in total, dear students. Let me mention one by one each of the guidelines. Number 1, do not cross the word limit to avoid the penalty of marks. The prescribed word limit is 50 words. So you have to write the notice within 50 words. Point number 2, repetition of any information should be avoided. Dear students, you should always keep in mind that you should not repeat any information. If you repeat any information, obviously your marks will be deducted. Point number 3, always enclose the notice in a box. Make sure you draw the box with a pencil. This is very important, that always enclose the notice in a box and the box has to be drawn, compulsory. Now with the help of a pencil it can be drawn. Point number 4, keep your notice short, crisp and to the point. It should be crispy, it should be short, and most importantly you have to write it within 50 words, so it should be to the point. Point number 5 now, highlight the word notice. You can make it bold, you can design it a bit, and not only the word notice but also the heading or the title. It can be either bold or underlined. Now the title can be either bold or underlined. Point number 6, the title should be captivating and eye-catching, that it should be very attractive. The title of the notice should be eye-catching also at the same time. Point number 7 now, don't make hypothetical information and facts. Make use of words given in the question. No need to create anything on your own. No need to create any sort of hypothetical information or facts on your own. Whatever information is given in the question, try to write your notice based on that information. Make sure you do not mention your personal information. Personal information should not be used. It should be strictly avoided. Make use of all the available information in the question. The most easy thing in case of notice writing, dear students, is that if you read the question properly, you will find all the important points there only. So whatever available information is there, assemble all those informations as been mentioned in the question, and then obviously while you will write, you will possibly get all the informations. Okay, you will possibly get all the informations related with notice writing. So it will be easy, because if you read the question, all the valuable information there only you will get, and from there only you can frame your notice. Next point, point number 10, your answer shall include answers to all the 5 W's. And what are the 5 W's? What, why, when, where and who. Now obviously if you are capable of including all these 5 W's, properly, and if you know the art of implementing successfully these 5 W's, notably I am mentioning once again what, why, when, where and who, then obviously you are quite capable of framing any notice successfully. Now I am moving on to point number 11. See, it is given the purpose for which it is being written should be stated clearly. So what is the main purpose of notice? What is the main purpose of notice? That should be stated very clearly. Now point number 12. The sentences should be short and grammatically accurate. I already told you regarding this that the sentences in case of a notice writing must be short, must be to the point, and not only that, it must be grammatically accurate. Point number 13. They should be in the passive voice as far as possible. This is the technicalities related with writing of a notice. Remember, dear students, it must be or it should be in the passive voice as far as possible. Point number 14. Only the most important points should be written. You don't have to write all the points. Only the most important points are to be written, because you can't increase the word limit strictly. You have to write within 50 words. Point number 15. The notice should be presented within a box. Entire notice should be presented within a box. So preferably with the help of pencil. After completing the entire notice, you can draw the box. Point number 16. Information is given in a notice must be clear and should not cause any sort of misunderstanding or confusion. Yes, now information given in the notice must be clear and it should be to the point. And one more thing you all should remember, that it should not cause any sort of confusion among the readers. It should not cause any sort of misunderstanding among the readers. Now point number 17, dear students, the second last point. Increase the visual appeal of your notice by using bold letters, catchy slogans, striking words and phrases, etc. By using bold letters, catchy slogans, striking words and phrases, the visual appeal of your notice can be made and it will look more attractive. And point number 18, you can also use some standard abbreviation also while you are forming a notice. So I repeat one more time, the last 2 points are very important, that visual appeal, in order to enhance, or rather to say in order to increase the appeal of your notice, bold letters, catchy slogans, striking words and phrases must be used. And point number 18, standard abbreviations are allowed. Always you should remember that standard abbreviations are to be written and it is allowed in case of a notice writing. Now after the definition and the important guidelines, the third important thing that I will be discussing with you all is related with the examples. So dear students, let me come to the example part. See, it is written notice writing examples. So some examples are there. Let me explain those examples with you all. So the first example, before that, see, I have written on the top notice writing examples. Example number 1. See, it is given the topic on which the notice is based. That topic has also been written An excursion cum study tour, that is the name of the topic. Now the question, your school is organizing an excursion to Dehradun for the students of class 11. Draft a notice. Dear students, nothing to be worried about it. Draft a notice means write a notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board, giving all the necessary details. Invite the names of those who are interested in going. Going where? Going for that excursion trip. You are Rahul Jaiswal, coordinator of school activities of VM Senior Secondary School, Agra. So dear students, as I told you in the instruction part only, that from the instruction part, if you read properly, you will be getting the entire answer. Just you have to assemble everything, because in the question only, in the instruction only, in the question, all the necessary informations are already been given, and in the instruction part also I discussed about it. So when you will frame it step by step, if you read the question properly, you can easily do it. So how to start? Now the name of the school, VM Senior Secondary School, Agra, that has to be written. Next line, notice, that has to be written. And then an excursion cum study tour, that is the title or the heading, has to be mentioned. Then the date has to be mentioned, and after that the body of the notice. Remember, unnecessary things must be excluded, it should not be included while you are writing. So how you should start or how you should begin? An excursion cum study tour to Dehradun is organized for class 11 students during the Dussehra vacation. Besides sightseeing, the travel plan will include the places of educational interest, including a visit to NIVH. As I told you, abbreviations can be used. That is the short form of National Institute of Visually Handicapped. So that place also will be visited in the course of this excursion. So those who are interested candidates, those who are willing students, they can enlist their names with the undersigned latest by July 20. Then you can mention a specified year just like this. Now after that, some more instructions are to be given. Date of departure, that you can create on your own. I have given 14 October, then you can specify a year. Date of return, 18 October, you can specify a year. Expenses per head, rupees 4,000, inclusive of boarding, lodging and all meals. That one also you have to mention. For further information, contact the undersigned. And what is the undersigned? And obviously the name been given in the question, Rahul Jaiswal, coordinator school activities. So this is the way you have to frame the entire notice. And finally, as you can see, I have drawn the box. So drawing of the box is compulsory. Now another question is there, board inviting articles. Okay, now this is very interesting. As student editor, draft a notice in not more than 50 words. Remember, you have to frame, you have to write the notice within 50 words for your school notice board, inviting articles from the students for your school magazine. Okay, so you are the student editor, you are requesting your friends, your juniors, then obviously your classmates, for what? For articles for the school's magazine. You are Rohan or Rupini of Vasant Vihar School, Pune. So as I told you in the instruction part, I am repeating once again that all the information you will get in the question only. you have to frame it very tactfully. So how will you start? So Vasant Bihar School, Pune. Notice then the year and the month has to be specified, as I have given 4th December. Then a year has to be specified, and then you have to concentrate on the body of the notice. And see, it is written, the Literary Society of the school has decided to release the school magazine Shiksha before the end of the current academic session. All those students who desire to contribute their articles or sketches are hereby invited to contact the undersigned by 20 December. Then again a year you have to specify. So those who are interested, they can contribute their articles, their sketches, their drawings, obviously, to the undersigned. And one important thing you also should mention, you can design a bit. As you can see, I have written it in bold letters. The articles should not exceed 500 words. They should be original and they should be neatly typed. Yes, they should not exceed 500 words. They should be written in original language. Okay, it should be original, and obviously it should be neatly typed at the same time. Finally, Rohan or Rupini, and obviously the post or designation, it is student editor. That one also has to be mentioned properly. Now example 3, blood donation camp. Now this particular notice writing is related with blood donation camp, and it's very important. Okay, as I told you that regarding the topic, I have mentioned at the top. Now based on the topic, the question follows. You are Jay or Jaya, Secretary, Interact Club, Shamala Memorial Hall, Trichy, that is the name of the place. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words to be put up on our school notice board, asking all the students to persuade their parents and neighbors to donate blood in the blood donation camp to be organized in your school campus in your school campus by the Lions Club as part of your club activities. So basically this notice is related with blood donation camp. So how will you proceed? Same way, Sham Memorial Hall, Trichy, or Shamala Memorial Hall, then notice, then obviously a year, along with that a date has to be specified. Then blood donation camp, that is the heading of the this particular notice. And now you come to the main body after that. This is to inform all the students and staff members that the Interact Club of the school, in collaboration with the Lions Club, is organizing a blood donation camp on the eve of school foundation day. So a blood donation camp is being organized related with the school foundation day. All the students are hereby requested to persuade their parents and neighbors to donate blood for this noble cause. Yes, now the main important thing is that all the parents and the neighbors are requested to donate blood for this noble cause of humanity. Date you can specify, as I have specified here, 28th March, time 9 AM to 2 PM, and venue is cricket ground in school campus. So there the blood donation camp, the entire process related with the blood donation camp will be organized. Donate the blood generously. It can save a precious life. Donors will be provided a donor certificate with light refreshment. A certificate also will be given. Refreshment also will be provided For registration or for further inquiry or query, please contact undersigned. And obviously your name is given already, Jay or Jaya, and obviously the name of the club also been mentioned. That one you can write in the very next line. So remember, these formats are very important, dear students. I am moving on now to the next question, question number 4. This is related with World Diabetes Day. So let us come to the question part. You are Keshav or Karuna, Secretary, Interact Club, Vidyapeeth, Bengaluru. That is the name of the school. Every detail will be given. The name of the school, even the word limit, what is the specific purpose, with which the notice is related, what is the main theme of the notice, everything will be given. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words to be put up on your school notice board, asking all the club members and the other students to join a walk on the World Diabetes Day to create an awakening among people about diabetes. And obviously the date has to be mentioned properly, on which date it will be. As you will find in the answer, I have mentioned 5th September, and it is related with World Diabetes Day. So all the necessary informations, as I told in the instruction part, I am repeating it once again. All the necessary instructions you will find there only. So what you have to do, you have to assemble or arrange all those things, and you have to write it in a very proper manner. So how will you proceed? Vidyapeeth, Bengaluru, then next line notice. Okay, then obviously you have to mention the date properly and the month also. Here you can specify like this as been shown here. Then obviously the heading or the title, it is very important, it has to be mentioned properly. The Interact Club of the school has arranged a walk on World Diabetes Day to create an awakening among people about diabetes. Now why it was been done? Because in order to arouse among the people a general awareness or a consciousness related with diabetes among the general community members or among the people in general. Therefore, all the club members and the other students of the school are supposed to join the walk-on. That is on 5th September. The year is specified in a large number. So all the teaching faculty members along with the students are being requested to join the walk related with creating awareness among the community members, among the people related with diabetes, and it will be on 5th September. Those who are interested in the event should reach the school ground at 6:30 AM positively on the day. So those who are actually interested, they should report to the school ground at 6:30 AM positively on that particular day to participate in this particular noble mission. Now the last line, for further details, this is the conclusion part, that if anyone wants to know something more, then he or she can contact with the undersigned, and the name been mentioned in your exam, either you can write Keshav or Karuna, because in many of the questions in CBSE sample questions, if you see, names are being mentioned. If no name is mentioned, you can create a name on your own, or else you can give your own name. And finally the designation been mentioned, Secretary, Interact Club. Now I am moving on to example number 5, the second last example. Now this notice is related with contribution to help the victims of the earthquakes. That means the notice that we are about to read right now, it is related with earthquake, okay, and the contributions that are to be made as a result of it. You are Ramesh or Rekha, the head boy or head girl of St. Xavier School, Patna. Prepare a notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board, asking the students to contribute to help the victims of the earthquake in Japan. Suppose there is an earthquake in Japan, obviously being the head boy of your school, you wanted the other students to contribute to help the victims who are badly affected as a result of the earthquake in Japan. So see, all the informations are given, and what is the main purpose of the notice, that one also has been mentioned. Now how will you proceed? Okay, see, the box has been drawn by me because it is necessary for everyone to draw the box. Okay, so let me continue. See, it is written St. Xavier School, Patna, notice, then obviously the date and the month and a specified year has to be mentioned. Then you have to come to the body of the notice. Okay, the recent earthquake in Japan had brought an immeasurable loss in the country. Immeasurable means uncountable. Okay, loss on a massive level. It is our sacred duty to help the people of Japan during the period of their natural calamities. So it is high time for all of us to actually stand by and help the needy people of Japan who had lost many of their valuable things, life of their near and dear ones, as a result of this natural calamity in the form of a horrible earthquake. Therefore, I appeal to all my fellow students to donate generously for this noble cause. So I appeal everyone to donate generously for this noble cause. The entire amount that will be collected from the school will be sent to Japan, brought the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to assuage their suffering. So the collected money will be given to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund so that it successfully reach to the people of Japan whose lives are affected as a result of that devastating natural calamity in the form of an earthquake. Now dear students, I am moving on to question number 6, the last one. Suppose you are school captain of St. Joseph's Public School, Patna. So see, it is mentioned already, the name of the school mentioned, your designation already mentioned. So as I told you previously only, that if you read the question you will get enough points, enough hints, okay, related to the main purpose of the notice and what exactly you are about to write. So it won't be a big problem. Write a notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board, informing the students about the inter-school basketball match. There will be an inter-school basketball match, and being the sports captain of your school, you have taken the responsibility of informing the students of your school, your friends, your juniors also, about the inter-school basketball match to be played between your school and ABC school. Maybe names like this will be given. Typical CBSE related question. Okay, sample question. Give all the necessary details. You have to give the necessary details. So everything is very clear in the question. Now how will you start solving it? So at the very beginning, obviously you will write St. Joseph's Public School, Patna. After that, obviously you will write notice, and then the month and the date and the year has to be specified as been done. By this time you should note that at which part you have to write it, and then the main body of the notice will follow. All the students of the school are hereby informed that an inter-school basketball match will be played between our school and ABC school. It has already been mentioned in the question. The details of the same are given below. Okay, now some of the details, dear students, you have to frame in your own mind. First of all, date 16 September, then you can specify a year, timing from 9 a.m. in the morning onwards, and venue is given ABC school ground. So these things you can improvise, you can alter a bit the time, the place, the date, because these things will depend on you and you can do the changes according to your choice, but the basic framework, the basic structure will remain exactly the same. Finally, you have to write, if no name is mentioned, that you create a name of your own, just like I have created Ramesh Rawat. Then obviously the post or designation, that is sports captain, St. Joseph's Public School, Patna. So that is the post or designation, that one also been written at the end. And finally, as you can see, the box has been drawn because drawing of the box is compulsory. So dear students, here I end my audio presentation. Kindly go through this audio presentation, and if there is any doubt anywhere, kindly let me know about it. Thank you students. Thank you all.